Hello everybody, BiggyHead here, and in today's video, I will be showing you guys 5 tips and tricks you guys can use to collect rare eggs much more easier and quicker. So that's pretty much how today's video will work, so let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so if you guys are not aware of the rare egg situation that we're in Murder Mystery 2 right now, pretty much in the new Easter event, we did get a new type of egg system where pretty much there's the regular eggs and then there's the rare eggs. The rare eggs are probably the rarest eggs to get because they're of course called rare, so you know it makes sense if they're rare. But anyways, these rare eggs are going to be so hard to get, so in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can collect these rare eggs completely easier and quicker. So that's pretty much how today's video will work. Let's get into the first tip and trick, which is going to be small servers. Joining small servers is the key to getting rare eggs in Murder Mystery 2. I've already collected 3 rare eggs in the Murder Mystery 2 Easter event, and it's already been a day since the event has started, so that's pretty quick honestly. 3 rare eggs in 1 day is honestly very quick in my opinion. But yeah, small servers are probably the key to collecting rare eggs if you guys do want to collect them very fast. The thing with small servers is that your chance of collecting a rare egg is much higher since there's not really much people in the server. So yeah, it's just probably the key to the Easter event and, you know, collecting those rare eggs. So yeah, definitely a must do if you guys are in need of rare eggs. So yeah. Anyways, you guys, moving on, the next tip and trick you guys can use to collect rare eggs much more quicker is voting for bigger maps, because the bigger the map is, then the bigger chance for more eggs to spawn in the same round is going to be. Because let's say we voted for a map like Hotel, then that map will most likely get more eggs than a map like Office, because Office is very small, so there's not really much room for an egg to spawn. But meanwhile, Hotel is very big compared to Office, so there's going to be more eggs spawning in the same round. So yeah, just like I said, voting for bigger maps is a key to collecting rare eggs. So yeah. Alright guys, the third tip and trick you guys can do to collect rare eggs much more quicker is simply keeping the chat open, because a lot of people actually struggle with this, but keeping the chat open is a key to getting rare eggs, because the chat is actually the #1 thing that tells you when a rare egg spawns. Pretty much in the chat, it should say like a rare egg has spawned in the map when a rare egg spawns, you know, because that's pretty much what the chat is saying. So pretty much keeping the chat open is a key to collecting rare eggs, and it'll help you guys because if you guys are worried that someone will collect the egg, the chat will actually tell you when someone collects an egg and if someone does. So pretty much keeping the chat open is probably a key to collecting rare eggs. So yeah, just something small that some people struggle with. So yeah. Anyways, you guys, the next tip and trick you guys can use to collect a rare egg is actually a smart type of tip and trick I did come up with. Pretty much, this tip and trick is pretty much asking people where eggs are, and in return, you will give them a godly. Now, this is kind of only to the people that are rich in Murder Mystery 2 and own a lot of godlies, but pretty much, if you guys are rich in Murder Mystery 2 and own a lot of godlies, like I said, you can ask people to tell you where the egg is, and they don't collect it, and they tell you pretty much where the egg is located at, and you collect it, and after that, the person that's telling you where the egg is will get a godly, and you will get the rare egg. So it's like a win-win type of situation, and I've been seeing a lot of people doing this method, so it'll really help out. And I've been seeing how they already have all 10 of their rare eggs collected, so this does indeed work. So just use this if you guys are rich in Murder Mystery 2. So yeah, now if you guys aren't really rich in Murder Mystery 2 and don't own a lot of godlies to do this, you guys can use different items in the game like pets or just regular weapons, maybe like some epics, some rares, something like that. You guys can come up with your own type of method, but of course godlies and ancients are probably the best method for this. But anyways, you guys, the final tip and trick you guys can use to collect a rare egg or all of the rare eggs is playing with friends in a small server. Now what this does is pretty much if your friend already has an egg that they already collected, they can pretty much tell you the location of where that rare egg is, and pretty much you can collect that egg, and you guys can keep doing the same thing over and over again until the both of you have all 10 rare eggs collected. So it's honestly a very great method because your friend is someone you can trust and someone you can play with, you know. So yeah, it's just a very great method, and yeah, you guys. Unfortunately, you guys, these are all of the tips and tricks I do have for you guys to collect rare eggs. Comment down below which tip and trick will help you the most, and if so, comment down below how much rare eggs you guys have collected so far in the Easter event, because I know it's been about a day or two since the Easter event has started. So yeah, I just want to know how much rare eggs you guys have collected so far. So yeah. Anyways, you guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. So if you guys have not yet liked the video and subscribed, then do so, because we will be doing a godly giveaway when we reach 10,000 subscribers. So make sure to subscribe and look out for that giveaway. That's everything I have for you guys inside of this video today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.